What's up guys, Justin here from the SketchUp Essentials. So today, real short video. I'm prepping for my presentations at Basecamp next week, so I really kind of need to focus on those, but I wanted to make a quick video, just reach out to you guys and see what you wanted to see from Basecamp next week. Obviously I'll be out there, I can try to get some pictures, and I don't think I'm going to be able to record presentations, but I might be able to give you an update on something that happens or something like that. So that's kind of what I want to hear from you guys is A, what do you want to hear about from Basecamp, or what do you want to see? And B, I'm talking about extensions in my presentations. I'm just wondering which extensions you guys think that I should cover in those. I obviously can't cover everything that you guys recommend, but it'd be nice to get your feedback and see kind of what you'd like to see if you were at an intro to extensions or a more advanced extensions Basecamp presentation. So leave a comment below. Let me know what you think about those two things. I'm going to try to put out a couple more videos this week. We'll see how it goes. But as always, thank you so much for taking the time to watch this, and I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks, guys.